Hey guys, it's been a while. The weather here in NorCal is not being cooperating in the last, I would say the last month. It's been raining and it's been overcast and fog. The visibility today, I would say 5 miles, 4 miles, is very gloomy. The sun is coming in, coming out. But we believe we found a really cool place. We have looked on Google Maps and Google Earth. And it seems to be a pretty decent area, so we're gonna explore today.
Is this Alex?
Yeah, I found the place. I'm just trying to pick where you guys are.
We're both on the ground, and we landed on the straight portion of the road, and then we taxied around the corner, and I'm getting ready to taxi up behind Paco.
Alright, see them. I see the cows, I see the road. See the power lines. Yeah, we have been here before scouting the area. We didn't touch down, but today is such a beautiful day. As far as for air goes, it's pretty smooth. A little bit of a tailwind. I'm going to just touch down this road here.
Pull up.
Alright, so let's go and check this place out. Scout a little bit more, see where else we can land.
Filming with the phone, I don't know if the sound's gonna be good or not. But yeah, that's what we are here. This looks like a riverbed area. And I wanna get going. I wanna just touch some other places. That area there, right there, seems pretty good area. I think I wanna go there. And just, we landed with a little bit of a tailwind. And so it'll be easier to take off right now. Yeah, this place here, right on top of there, that looks pretty good. I want to go check that place out. That looks good.
Let's see if we can land on top of that plateau there. I want to check it out. Man, it smells really bad here. I think that's right here. I'm gonna get it going from here. Alright, so full flaps. There's a full flaps departure here. I can't see a damn thing. There we go.
Okay, here Jeff goes.
Oh yeah, look at this place, man. This is beautiful.
Traffic.
There's some very, very deep spots. See this barn here.
Terrain, pull up.
So I sort of know a little bit. The wind is 10 knots. Oh yeah, baby.
Did you touch down after the fence, Alex?
Yeah. Damn, he landed short.
There's some big holes out here.
Yeah, there's some ones you gotta make sure that you don't go over them.
You mean like I'm just almost dead? I'm sitting right on top of one. I think I'm gonna have to shut it down, and I don't think I can clear my tail wheel.
Oh yeah, it's just about to it. Don't go forward. Just, you gotta pull back.
How's that?
There we are on the plateau. And look at this baby. Huh? That was pretty close, Jeff.
Yeah,
That was a close one, man.
I was just talking about the big holes, and when I looked down, I was right over.
Yeah, look at the size of this thing. Oh, I can't see anything. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this place is beautiful. Look at this. Woo! You get beautiful airplanes right there. The Kitfox. We got the Rans. So this water line here looks like it's like a water line. Oh, look at this. That's why you need big tires. I guess small tires okay too here, but yeah, look at that hole right there. That's a massive one. Yeah, everything seems to be very smooth up in the air. But when you get down on the ground, you see a bunch of holes. So this area here is just magnificent, very pretty. You got hills all over the place. The airplanes there. I don't know if you can see anything, but let's see if I can get out of here. Too many settings. Alright. I think it's too much of a walk all the way to that plateau area, so I'm gonna just come back here.
I want to do the drop there. I'm going to take off and turn right. Are you up?
Yep.
I'm going to take off, turn right, and do the drop there.
Cool.
And then if you want to kind of get ahead of me at some point, and then we can do a flyby and do the drop, I have the camera pointing on my right wing, and I can get you a shot. That'll be kind of cool.
Okay, cool. We might want to do a couple practice ones first, so I kind of get the feel for what we're doing.
Yeah. All right, off I go.
Roger, roger.
was awesome.
It looks sweet.
This shouldn't be allowed.
It's pretty cool, dude.
I'm turning right.
I got you inside. I'll slide in behind you. And are you going to turn to the right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Pull up.
I am right behind you and you still disappeared.
Pull
Wow.
How cool is that?
It's beyond cool, dude.
I'm gonna turn left now.
Okay, I got you inside. I'll slide in behind you again.
Woohoo! This is too cool.
traffic.
Are you good?
Yeah, I see you. Just gonna go in front of you, low flyby.
All right.
This is gonna be probably my last flight of the year. I'm not sure. With the weather is gonna be bad the next week, and it's very hazy and it's just not good. Redfox is gonna go for a break, maybe. Look at this Jav's Kitfox, and get a range in there. And the scenery is just very, very beautiful. Look at that. Got a bunch of wires there. I don't know if it's visible or not, but there are tons of wires there. You gotta be careful. Anyways, fellas, I think I'm gonna end it up here. It was too much fun. Look at the 29s. They look beautiful there. And well, if I don't talk to you guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for flying with me, following my adventures in 2018. It was a pretty great year as far as flying goes, but next year, man, next year is going to be a lot better. We have a lot of new stuff coming up. We have a new gear maybe, yeah, designing a new gear for the Kitfox, so that will be interesting to share with you guys. So anyways, I'll talk to you next time. See you.